This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gail Honey. Open house 8/7, 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Professional photos coming 8/9 beautifully renovated first floor unit in sought after Banyan House. New roof in 2021, newer AC, hardwood and ceramic tile floors, impact glass on front windows, quartz countertops and shelves in kitchen and baths, oversized tile shower in master bath. Walk-in closets, screened porch with new outside landscaping. Built-in shelves in dining room and guest bedroom. One small pet welcome. Don't miss this condo in one of Stuart's best locations near beaches, shops, medical and restaurants plus Martin County's new public golf course. For more information, review the details below or contact Gail Honey at 772-283-2800.